Well, it's day 214 of things I cut with my Bushcraft blades, Sweetwater Creek Senator, and I just have a Dr. Pepper bottle here, which I have delabeled. Let's get straight into this today, and straight through it, as the case might be. Well, I did run into the choil there, but it doesn't really matter because we're almost done with this Dr. Pepper bottle. And I think that, whoops, did hit the choil there. I think that that will do for day 214 of things I cut with my Bushcraft blade, Sweetwater Creek Senator.